Today I'm gonna unbox Bluedio Powerful Sound Hi Hurricane. At the box, there is an overview about the product. There is an air leaking hole, LED indicator, multi-function key, charging port, and the microphone. At the case of the earphone, there is a charging slot, charging case, charging socket, charger indicator, and charger button. This is a charger button with LED indicator, the charging port, and this is the two earphone. The multi-function key, both left and right. The microphone and the charging port at the bottom. Both of these earphones has a battery, built-in battery, which you can charge also through the case. When you pair this to your Bluetooth device, when you turn on both device, left and right, it has the capability to join each other, or it has a quality sound that voice reduction or noise cancellation. Bluedio Hi Hurricane.